That's how you're actually going to deflate it as well. Fold it in and boom. Awesome. And then we can just put another CO2 cartridge in. Close this and we're ready to use it again. Look how snug it gets. Easy to take it out. Okay, you put it in and then you twist it. Boom, and you take it out. So what we're gonna do is extend this thing and then take it out. Almost. Boom. Wet fire, fire starting tinder. This is what you would do, but not on the water. Whoa, look at that. It light up right on top of the water. How cool is that? This is insane. I got here ice and I'm just gonna put it just like that. Look how fast it melts the ice. And boom, look at it, almost done. If you have a bigger piece of ice, it's just going to take a little bit longer. Wow, look at that beautiful ice cube. Now you put it in a glass like this. And that looks so beautiful, doesn't it? And look, you have ball of ice in there. Drill it, flip bit, extract it. First of all, we're going to drill it. Now we're going to take it out and put this side in. There you go. Wow, it works so easily. Silky Katana Boy 500 folding saw. By the way, I don't want to go too fast because I don't want to burn out my energy. So steady, and then if the saw blade going to get pinched, I don't want to bend it. So it's not how fast it's gonna go either. Just medium speed like that, it works the best. You see how it got pinched? Boom. So here's the ordinary pen that you can write whatever, and it writes really well. What's cool about it, it comes with the little base like that, and then if you set it like that, boom, it levitates. Look at that. How cool is this? Magnetic brush scrubber for like vases or beakers like that, and then I'm gonna drop this in, and then boom, look at that. Now we're gonna sop it up. Wow, that magnet does actually holds really well, so I can just find it easily and brush it up. It's actually kind of cool to have put it somewhere on a table where all the guests can see this, and they're like, push? What do you mean push? Okay, and they try it out and it's closed back up. It's like a mini prank or whatever you call it. I like this thing. There is 3-step instruction, but there is option A and option B. You can either keep this clip on the outside right here, or if you don't want to see this one, you can put it on the inside. Step 2, I'm gonna put it to the top one right here and tie it up to where you want it. Fold it this way and put it to here, between here. Boom and boom. And then after a couple days, you're happy with how tight your shoe is, you can cut off your laces off so that way they're not in the way. And boom, that way it can look like that and you don't have to tie your shoes anymore. Or you can keep it like that if you're happy with that too. I like it both, honestly. And then I'm just gonna pull it like this and hook it up on the other side. Look at that. And now it's getting tighter. Once you're done and you need to open it all the way, let go, and then I grab this side and retract it. How cool is that? And you can retract it very, very far away. Look at that. All the way, and then to let go, boom. That's crazy. I can feel slowly it's getting squishier. So when you feel it squishy and you want more pressure, all you have to do is just give it a couple pumps. And look at that pressure. And it's back inside of it, and it's kind of loose. Look at it. Like that. And boom, look at that. It stands up and it's spinning really, really fast. Even though I spun it horizontally, it spins, 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 and then stands up like that and keeps spinning. How cool is that? And then I got this wallet right here, put it right on top of it like that, close it, boom. If I open it this way, It's on this side now. Open it this way, on this side. How cool that is. This is like magic wallet. There you go. And it finally spins. Look at that. Now it's standing on a little stick. It doesn't even look like there is a knife inside of it. It looks like a piece of stick, doesn't it? Maybe right here it looks like a knife. I would hold it like this, upside down, then press it and boom, the knife will unfold. And if I want to fold it, all I have to do is press it again, it opens up, and then it falls in. Well, with this little gadget, check this out, what it can do. All I have to do is just put it in the middle, and lift it. Boom, look at that. And all it is just on my hand, that's it. So as you can see, obviously carrying a sheet of wood is a lot easier like that. Look, all it is on my hand. And then I can just set it down and let go. Wow, I can't believe how well it's grinding it. Let's see how much we got. Whoa, that's a lot. There you go. And we got this on fire. Just keep striking it till all that stuff will go on fire. I take this part out. Boom. Unfold this part. We got a big box. And now when I'm ready to unload the cart, I'll just stick in all my water first, all the heavy stuff in here. Then I'm gonna put the bags in. And when I'm ready to take it to the house, I can just take the whole thing into the house. PackTech said, attach a carabiner to any fabric. We put this clamp on the other side and think of this as a fabric. And then we're going to put this right through and in. And boom. It's hooked up. You see, it cannot come off. And also the bag cannot come off. Let me show you again how it works. Boom. Put it in. And slide it through and close it, and boom, it's holding it. It's not going to come off at all. How cool is that? Feed him a coin, he's gonna turn around and every time. This is so funny. I love this piggy bank. Submerge it all the way. Boom. Whoa, it's actually floats. Of course it's floats. All inside there's a lot of air. Boom, yes, it works. It's waterproof. That's great. And the matches, nice. Matches doesn't look like they're wet. I probably will have to switch out the striker, so no big deal, because it's wet. So I'm just going to stick a new one in. Let's see if this match going to light up now. Boom, easily. There you go. And again, water test, this is my favorite. They burn underwater, look at that. Take it out, shake it, and they burn again. If you're going to open it up, boom, there's a 6-step instructions. Let's see how it's done. Open it up, put a hook in. Looks like this is the biggest hook you can put into here. You could probably buy different size of this kind of gadget. Then you're going to get a line and put it to the line like this, boom. Hold it like that, and then you're going to twist it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to grab at the end of the line and put it to the hook again. Boom, just like that. And then you're going to come back and put it to this loop. And now what we're going to do is just hold it like this and tie it all together. Boom. Now you got your excessive line. What you can do is go around like that and cut it. Boom. So as you can see, it's very easy and at the same time very safe to put on a hook and put in like this and then close it, and look at that. Now you got yourself a hook, and there you go. Well guys, you be the judge. Look at that. My fishing pole is not going to come off. Sometimes those hooks unhook from here and they swing everywhere. And also, even if it's hooked up on here, if you grab it or you're walking, you can still get hooked and it will be very painful to take it out. Right here, look at that. I can grab it, I can pull it, it's not going to come off.